Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, hello everyone. So, I'm standing in here in front of you all in this holy place. I want to deliver you a little heavy topics. So, in this public speaking, I will deliver to you talking about technology and the impact in this modern era, especially to the impact to the children. So first let me see the impact of the technology in this modern era. So with technology, education in this modern era is more efficient. Let's take some example. So if you want to learn autodidact, it will more easy because we can access all tutorial and course that free in internet. And another example is with technology, the connection between teacher and student will be more efficient because we have software like Zoom, Google Meet, and WhatsApp. But sadly, there is a bad impact too of technology that abounds or full of bad impact. Start from many children that are addicted to technology and many children that be an introvert because technology, and then antisocial, nurse, and other things like that. But for myself, bad or good impact of technology is same equal. There is one of important things that determine technology will have a bad or good impact for children. This is the parent guidance. With bad parent guidance, the technology will have a very bad impact to the children, like I said before. But with a good guidance, the children will know how to utilize the technology for a good thing. So, if you see a children that was broken because technology, don't abuse them, but abuse how the parent guide them. Okay, so that's all from me. I do apologize if I have many mistakes in words or sentence. And for the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.